Using conversational form inside the chatbot flow, from the dashboard, go to Chatbot AI and create a story. Add keywords in user input that a user can ask. Drag the conversational forms from the menu and create a new form. Name your form after that label your form and add the phrase according to your label. You can get responses as much as you want. User attribute is storing the data for your use. Click Next. You can email these responses to someone in your team, and after the form ends, you can thank the user by a text response or by a story. Now save the form and save the story too. Test your chatbot. That's it. Thanks for watching.